Hello, my name is Alpern Yashar, and I am the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today, I will show you how to create an unplugged probe alert. Some Swift sensor models are designed with detachable probes or wire leads which can become unplugged or disconnected. When a sensor's probe is unplugged, an unplugged probe alert can be sent to minimize data loss and protect your business. In order to enable this feature, please go to Alerts. Click on the Alerts tab and click on the Hardware Issue Alerts. Click on the pencil edit icon on the top right of your screen and then check the Unplugged Probe checkbox in the Criteria section. Click the blue checkmark button once you are done. Now you have enabled the Unplugged Probe alert, and you'll be notified when a probe has been disconnected from its sensor. For more information, you can visit www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.